Sarah Carnes, and this is Mental Health Awareness Month. So today we're bringing you to Barberton City Schools. I have Megan Kleinden with me today from Red Oak Behavioral Health, and she's the CEO there, and they've teamed up with Barberton City Schools. I've got the superintendent here, Jeff Ramnitz. I'm going to talk to both of you, but I want to start with Megan first here. You've teamed up with the schools. You're doing some really great things. I want you to talk to me about what you're doing here.
Great. So we've had a long-standing relationship with Barberton schools. We have embedded staff who are part of the relationship with the schools, helping to provide services to students. But we're embarking on a really cool new initiative called Mental Health First Aid here. And so essentially what's happening is in the training, we're building capacity of folks to be able to respond using a 5-step action plan that's called ALGEE. So that's spelled A-L-G-E-E. The A stands for assessing for suicide risk. The L stands for listening without judgment. G is giving support and reassurance. E is encouraging utilization of professional supports and resources like Red Oak Behavioral Health when needed. And then the last E is about encouraging self-help and making sure people use community resources.
And I know it's so important to recognize behavioral issues early. That's why the school is such a great place to start. This is exciting. Jeff, I want to talk to you next. You know, you've committed to training your staff in the mental health first aid, and you've committed by 2020, the end of that year, to do so. Why did you feel like it was so important to do this?
Well, our staff is with our students 6.5 hours a day. They're on the front line. They're with them every day. They build relationships with them. The most important thing is Red Oak has been fantastic partners. They're in our buildings. This training is going to give our teachers and our staff the tools to help identify any children that have any type of mental crisis, so we can address that early and we can get them the help they need.
Well, this is awesome. So many good things happening here. Thank you both. If you'd like to know more about mental health first aid, you can head to Red Oak Behavioral Health's website. It's redoakbh.org.